Hello, my fellow beauty boffins. Introducing Vajayay, your ultimate ally in confident, intimate health and digestive comfort. Unique selling point number 1. It offers full, comprehensive care. Vajayay combats infections, including candida and other well-known infections. It helps stop dreaded UTIs and assists in calming the onset of urinary tract infections. It also alleviates IBS symptoms and reduces bloating, all in one capsule. Number 2, Vajayay is scientifically formulated. It's developed with cutting-edge ingredient research to ensure efficacy and safety. Number 3, medical strength. The formula works quickly to alleviate pain and discomfort effectively, allowing you to continue with your day in peace and worry-free. Number 4, Vajayay empowers wellness. It supports overall well-being, helping you feel confident and comfortable every single day.